October, November 2011, maximum mark 14. That means this is a paper to section B question. Consider an infinite geometric sequence with u1, that is first term is given as 40 and ratio is given as 1 by 2. Find u4. Let's use the un formula of geometric sequence u1 times r raised to n minus 1. u1 is given as 40 times bracket 1 by 2 because that is my r raised to 4 minus 1 which is 3. 40 will remain as it is. 1 raised to 3 is 1. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 40 times 1 over 8 is basically 5. So your first answer u4 is equal to 5. Find the sum of an infinite sequence. Sum of infinite sequence is u1 over 1 minus r. So 40 over 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is basically 1 by 2. 40 over 1 by 2 is 80. So that is your second answer. This is for 2 marks. This is for 2 marks. Consider an arithmetic sequence with n terms, with first term is negative 36 and 8th term is negative 8. Find the common difference. So 8th term is negative 8, first term is negative 36, 8th term is given, so I am using a term formula for arithmetic which is u1 plus n minus 1 bracket times d is equal to minus 8. u1 is already known to you, 36, negative 36 plus 8 minus 1 times d is equal to negative 8. 8 minus 1 is 7, 7d is equal to, take negative 36 on the other side, negative 8 plus 36 is 28. Divide both sides by 7 here. 7 get cancelled, so d is equal to 28 over 7 is basically 4. So this part is done. Show that Sn is equal to 2n square minus 38n. So I'm using a formula for sum of arithmetic sequence. Sn is equal to n over 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times d. N over 2 because I don't need to substitute n. I need expression in terms of n. I know u1 is negative 36. I know difference we found out in the previous part which is 4. Substitute that and simplify that. N over 2 as it is. 2 times negative 36 is negative 72. 4 times n minus 4 times 1 is 4n minus 4. N over 2 as it is. 4n as it is. Negative 72, negative 4 is negative 76. You can see from 4n and 76 you can take 2 common. So n over 2 as it is. I am taking 2 common, so I am dividing here by 2. 4 divided by 2 is basically 2 and n is there. 76 divided by 2 is 38. Whenever I am taking common, basically I am writing that common number outside and dividing actually inside number. This 2 get cancelled, so you are left with n times 2n which is 2n square and n times 38 which is 38n, middle sign is minus, which is what I want. This is for 5 marks total part. Last part. The sum of an infinite geometric sequence is equal to twice the sum of arithmetic sequence. Find n. So I am converting this word problem into a mathematical part. I am going one by one. The sum of an infinite geometric sequence, so S infinity, is means what? Equal to. Twice means what? 2 times. Sum of an arithmetic sequence, that means Sn. We already know S infinity from the first part which is 8. We already know Sn from the previous part which is 2n square minus 38n. So 80 is equal to 2 times 2n square minus 38n. Either you multiply here or I am dividing this full equation by 2, this also 2, so that this 2 and 2 get cancelled. 80 divided by 2 is 40. You are left with 2n square minus 38n. Take this 40 on the other side, so it forms a new quadratic equation. 2n square minus 38n minus 40 is equal to 0. As it is a 5 mark question, we are expected to show some working. If you know the factorization, you can show the factorization. Otherwise, the simplest method, in formula booklet you know the formula of quadratic solving. So here I am taking 2 common. So here I am taking 2 common. So if I'll take 2 common, it becomes n square. 38 divided by 2 is 19n. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So 2 divide both sides, 2 get cancelled, 0 over 2 is 0. So your A is 1, B is negative 19, C is negative 20. There is a formula which is given in the formula booklet, minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. So your B is negative 19. So minus of B, so minus of minus 19 plus or minus square root of B square, so negative 19 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 20 square root complete divide full divided by 2 times 1. It is not only this part, it is full division by 2 times A, which is 2 times 1. This is what you have to show as a working, and then you are allowed to use a calculator, get the value by directly solving on a calculator. You will get 2 values, one is negative 1, one is 20. 20 is the correct answer because n is a term number. Term number cannot be negative. Term number cannot be 0. Term number cannot be decimal. Term number cannot be fraction. These are the conditions you need to remember. So the only possible option is a positive number, which is 20. So that is the answer. Thank you.